Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the based Bobr token. Ticker symbol is Bobr, B-O-B-R. Now you can find this token on BaseScan if you're looking for the chart and the price and all the statistical information. You can find it on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. We're going to go over the information on the based Bobr meme coin, and we'll talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is trending number 7 right now on DEX Screener in the base section. It says 427,694 holders. So a lot of airdrops there. 2 different liquidity providers for Uniswap. Right now there's $52,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So if you're looking to get this token, you can get it off Uniswap. First of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So a Coinbase wallet would be fitting, but you could also use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You could fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base. Or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. So you download the wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You'd fund your wallet from a central exchange, and if you don't have a central exchange, there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find on their webpage, basedbobr.com, you would trade your Base for this token using that contract address. Now, as far as slippage goes, it says here 0% buy and sell tax, so you don't have to worry about slippage. There will be a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Now, this token has a Go Plus security audit, Quick Intel security audit, honeypot.is audit. They're all quick audits on DEX Screener, and it says no issues on any of them, and they also got 100 out of 100 on Token Sniffer, so they basically got a perfect score on all their audits. That doesn't mean it's completely safe. I mean, always do your due diligence, and crypto is just volatile anyways. But yeah, the audits seem to be fine. There is a how to buy section on their webpage too, based at Bobr, right beside the contract address, and a buy button that'll take you right to Uniswap. So it's pretty hard. It's, pretty easy to navigate that. And it says, Bobr, dive into the beaver world on a vibrant cryptocurrency that brings fun, joy, and innovation. Join the adventure and explore the journey ahead. Our official links. Now, they have tons of links. So they have an OpenSea NFT collection where you can get some NFTs. And they have a link to that OpenSea on their webpage. They also have a link here to guild.xyz. An Instagram, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, DEX Screener chart, and they're also listed on CoinGecko, it says as well. So you can check out the chart on there. Meet Bobr, the beaver who dreamed up the Bobr token on the Base network. A fast, fun crypto river where community rules and laughter flows. Bobr built a dam of pure joy, calling all meme lovers, hodlers, and adventurers to join the party. With the Bobr token, you are a part of this tribe, making waves and epic memes, wild ideas, and a future packed with surprises like NFTs and more. So grab your tokens and dive into the happiest dam in the blockchain woods. And they have a link to the Telegram right under that, and that is at Based Bobr Portal. 637 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates, partnerships, token listing events, all that type of stuff, as well as their Twitter, their X, that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over here at Based Bobr on Twitter. 981 followers. Check that out there. Has a link to their webpage, and it says blue verified checkmark, 559 posts, so very active on the socials. It says Bobr is a meme coin on Base. Dive into Beaver World, a vibrant cryptocurrency that brings fun, joy, and innovation. And they also have a Twitter community on there with 45 members, so you could join the chat on there as well if you want to chat with other people about the token. The Twitter communities, Telegrams, etc., those are all great places to do so. So, yeah, and then their tweet from 1 hour ago, it says, we just got listed on CoinGecko. So that's just hot off the press there. Based Bobr. Now, this token is not brand new. It actually came out 1 month, 25 days ago on Uniswap. That's when the pair was created. But maybe because of this CoinGecko listing today, that they are trending right now on Dex Screener, number 7. And yeah, I was going to do a video on Baby Sato, but right now it's down 35%, and I don't know if it's just going to go down to 0. So maybe I'll wait till tomorrow. We'll talk about Baby Sato tomorrow if it's still alive. But today, I did a video on Sato, and somebody recommended check out Baby Sato, but not doing so well right now. Or Sato, I guess. Satoshi Nakamoto, that's what it's named after. That it was the Sato token is a very popular base meme coin, but Baby Sato is kind of in the dumps today. So we'll see what happens. So maybe you'll see a video tomorrow on that, maybe not. So there's a 1 billion total supply of the Bobr token. LP burned. 4.75% of the tokens goes to the dev, locked for 1 year. 3% airdrop, 5% marketing supply, 2% central exchange fees. And it says 0% taxes, lower than Trump's tariffs. And lots of memes on their page, so they put lots of memes on there so people can copy paste them, share them on their socials. But yeah, this token has around $500,000 market cap, $498,000. $44,000 worth of trades today, over 38,463 transactions. And yeah, you can find the website, all the links, including the NFT collection on Dex Screener as well. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.